Thank you, President. We've witnessed another crushing defeat for the UK government in its second meaningful vote on a deal that would have been disastrous for Wales, taking us out of the single market and the customs union. It's clear that the UK Parliament cannot come to a meaningful conclusion, and so it's time to turn back to the people. The concentration of wealth in London has got us into this mess, and the concentration of power in Westminster is keeping us trapped in it now. Democracy is the way forward. We must give people a final say on their future now that we are seeing the real facts. Things have changed. When events change, people change their minds. That is their right. Wales, my constituency, has done that. 55% now back Remain, a 14% increase on 2016. We need an extension of Article 50 and we need that for a people's vote. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you. For 1.5 minutes, Mrs. Anderson.
People on the north